My son took the truth to school today. Told his teacher that he drinks on Saturdays. Clear as the sky, sharp like a blade. Made me laugh loud as the tea got sprayed. Only on Saturday, let the bottles clink. Where the world slows down, give me time to think. Proud of my boy, yeah, his heart don't sink. Only on Saturday, my casual drink. Salute to the moment, it's a weekend vibe. Work hard all week, gotta let that ride. Teach my son straight, no need to hide. Truth's a real gift, a rare kind of pride. I see him smile, no ounce of shame. Youth without lies, the purest flame. He said it proud, no one to blame. Daddy's joy ain't stuck in a fame game. Only on Saturday, let the bottles clink. Where the world slows down, give me time to think. Proud of my boy, yeah, his heart don't sink. Only on Saturday, my casual drink. Haiti runs deep in this blood of mine. Through soccer fields and toasted wine. Once a player, now a dad so proud. Building the future, one truth at a time. Only on Saturday, let the bottles clink. Where the world slows down, give me time to think. Proud of my boy, yeah, his heart don't sink. Only on Saturday, my casual drink. Haiti runs deep in this blood of mine. Through soccer fields and toasted wine. Once a player, now a dad's all prime. Building the future, one truth at a time.